Persuasive techniques. In this video, we're going to define different persuasive techniques, explain the impact of specific techniques on audiences, and identify persuasive techniques in a text. First up, we've got rhetorical question. It's a question that doesn't require an answer or doesn't expect one. It encourages audiences to think to think about the proposed question. What do they think? So in this example, we've got Garfield. What a boring life I have. How could anyone have a more boring life? It encourages the audience to think about what he's asking. How could anyone have a more boring life? Quotes are words taken from another text or person to demonstrate or prove your point. It shows the audience that your idea has merit and is valid. It convinces them that your perspective must be true if this person is saying it. Repetition is the repeating of a phrase for emphasis. It reinforces an idea over and over and over again to ensure the audience get the message. So in this example with Bart, thanks to Simpsons, repetition is key to getting your message across. The more you write it, the more you say it, the more people understand it. Hyperbole is the exaggeration. It presents something as more or less than what it is. It's used to emphasize a point, to make sure the audience understand that and understand the severity or importance of it. Here we've got a mouse. And if I was to say that I feel as small as a mouse, it's saying like I'm pretty small. It's an exaggeration. No person could be that small, but it's implying that they are. Inclusive language is the use of words that include the audience in the idea or purpose. So words such as our and we and us, all of those include the audience. We're going to take a look at an example of this in a moment. It makes the audience feel included, as though the thought of the issue of being persuaded impacts them too. Now, inside the text, and this is where we're going to have a look at all of these put together. We're all here today to discuss mobile phones in classrooms. We all get frustrated when our students are on them. We all know that they detract from learning. We all want them gone. But the students always ask why. Why can't we have them? Why can't we use them? Victorian Premier Dan Andrews has stated that students should be focused on learning, not Snapchatting and texting. But it's so hard to enforce when every student seems to have 1,000 of them. We confiscate one, they appear with another. Now within this text, we've got a range of persuasive techniques. The first one being rhetorical question. Why can't we have them? Why can't we use them? It makes the audience think about, well, why can't they? We've got quotes. So Premier Dan Andrews is somebody who is in charge of education within Victoria, and they've used a quote. It's proving my point that it's not just me that thinks that, it's somebody else. We have repetition. We all get frustrated when our students are on them. We all know that they detract from learning, that we all want them gone. It's emphasizing that point that everybody is included. We have exaggeration. Every student seems to have 1,000 of them. They confiscate one and appear with another. It's emphasizing that there are just an ongoing issue that continues to happen. Inclusive language is the last one. We're all here today. We all get frustrated. We confiscate one, they appear with another. It's including all teachers in this idea that we're in it together.